Let's draw a proud lion. First, make a round head. Red. Then, draw a muzzle and a mouth. Terrific! Now draw its long whiskers on the left and on the right. And small ears. Fantastic! Let's draw its magnificent mane. Nice one! Draw the lion's body. Very good. Don't forget to draw legs so your lion can run. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. There you go. Now, draw a tail with a switch. Neat! What a gorgeous lion you've made! The word lion begins with the letter L. Write this letter, and your lion will shake his head. Blue!